So when it comes to upgrading to a big brake kit, there's one thing that can ruin your setup: wheels. So why are wheels important when it comes to upgrading your brake system? Because size matters. You know, you're getting a bigger caliper, bigger rotor, everything's a lot bigger in there now. Stock wheels, you know, they're designed for stock brakes. So when you're transitioning to aftermarket wheels, specs do matter. So we got a 2nd gen Tacoma in the shop. This one's running our 6-piston, 356mm kit. Our kit is designed to fit in a 17-inch wheel. That's where you want to start. Then you want to get into your offsets, your back spacing, to help dial it in so there's no interference. So with the Toyota Tacomas, we usually want to run a 0 offset wheel with 4.5-inch back spacing. That's usually the minimum that we want for a wheel to clear the big brake kit. So with this wheel spec size that we went over, you can see it just clears. The -12 really helps push it out, helps a lot more clearance between the caliper face and the rim face. On the back side, if you look, you can see the barrel comes pretty close to the caliper. Single stack wheel weights, just enough clearance. So with these specs, these are gonna cover your general Toyota Tacomas. When it comes to different off-road vehicles, you're gonna need different specs. So here is your stock size wheel and tire combo that comes standard on the Tacomas. This one's a 16-inch wheel, but you can already see overall over the stock brake system, it already comes pretty close. You can see the offset of the face already has come close contact with the caliper. Same thing with the barrel on the backside. You can already see it's a very tight fitment. When you're upgrading to a bigger brake kit system, you know, bigger, it's already gonna be bigger than stock. So here's what you need to remember. So if you're running this setup, most aftermarket 17-inch wheels should fit. So wheel size alone isn't gonna guarantee the clearance. It's gonna be offset and back spacing. Even though if the wheel specs are correct, sometimes the wheel design can play a factor. For you guys that aren't running 17s, if you're running 18s or 20s, we have bigger setups for your bigger wheels. So if you're interested in getting a BBK for your car, drop your wheel specs and your wheel type in the comment below and we'll get back to you about your fitment.